Now I'll show you how to connect our wireless ultrasound probe. This is the serial number. You just connect it to our Windows PC. And now you can move to other modes such as the color Doppler mode. And you can see a yellow window. Now you can move it. You left click it. Then you can resize it. And you left click again. You can move to this model too. And then you middle click. You can release the cursor. And for example, if you want to enter the pulse wave Doppler mode, and you will see like this, when it's yellow, you can move and you left click, and you can see the window is yellow, then you can move the window and left click again, you can resize it. Left click again, you can back to the move the SV, and then if you find the vessel and you move here, then you middle click to release the cursor and you click the update. Then it will turn to the spectrum, and when you finish it, you can just back to the B mode. And when you freeze it, you right click it and you can see the frame as you want, and you can save the cinema or just save the image, and it will show here. You can also export the images to your local disk and click OK, and then you will see here it's exported success. If you finish the exam, you can just exit application.